Hi YouTube friends, it's Tom here. Welcome. Join me because today we're going to be making a simple hex nut zipper pull. Start this one off by finding the center of your paracord, and we're going to make a small loop that you can attach to your zip. So just come down a little way and then starting here on the left, form a loop by coming all the way around the right hand strand, and then switch these two strands over, bringing the right one underneath and then feed that left side through the right loop. That just makes a simple snake knot. So tighten that one up and then grab your hex nut and just place it where you want the hex nut in the middle there. Grab your right side and feed it down through. Just forming a little loop down here at the bottom, and then tuck the end through that loop, forming an overhand knot. And do the same over the other side. Just pinch these two strands here, just to give yourself room in the center of the nut. Then feed your piece of paracord down through the nut and underneath the other strand to form an underhand loop, and then tuck the end through that loop. And now you should have two overhand knots. And then just keeping that nut nice and flat, tighten up these two knots. Okay, so once you have those two knots nice and tight, we're going to tie one more snake knot. So take the left strand over the right and all the way around to the back. Switch those two strands over and then feed this left strand down through that right loop. And tighten this snake knot up against the hex nut. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to cut the ends, and instead of singeing them, I'm going to leave these frayed, so just fray up the ends. And there you have your simple hex nut zipper pull. If you like this kind of thing, feel free to hit the subscribe button, because here we talk about all kinds of different knots. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you supporting the channel. I like you all, and I'll see you on the next video.